Today, we're treated to the first official unboxing video of the new Galaxy A55 5G, showcasing its stunning ice blue color. Zozo, who recently shared a hands-on video of the Galaxy A55, posted this content on Reddit. The Galaxy A55 5G boasts a classic Samsung design, featuring a glossy glass back panel and a 6.64-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with a punch hole for the front-facing camera. Notably, it introduces the key island design, raising the frame around the power and volume buttons, giving it a distinct look from the Galaxy S24. In the video, the metallic frame's shine indicates a switch to a metal frame, a notable upgrade following last year's decision to equip the Galaxy A54 with a glass back. Highlighted features of the Galaxy A55 include a 1650 nit peak brightness, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both front and back, an aluminum frame, Xclipse 530 GPU, the largest vapor chamber in a series, up to 12 GB RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, and Knox Vault security. Furthermore, it promises a more powerful Exynos chip with an AMD-powered GPU, up to 12 GB of RAM, and will ship with Android 14 and One UI 6 or 6.1. Notably, it may lack the artificial intelligence capabilities of the Galaxy S24 lineup. Camera-wise, the Galaxy A55 features a 32-megapixel front camera and a rear triple-lens setup consisting of a 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 5-megapixel macro lens. Other core specifications include a 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt charging, face unlock, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Additionally, a global version of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G with 6 GB of RAM has been spotted on Geekbench. This model, A365B, scored well in single-core and multi-core tests. Powered by Samsung's Exynos 1380 chip manufactured using 5nm EUV technology. That is for today. Share your thoughts on today's video in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.